All right, today we are looking at dividing polynomials, and today we're going to start just really easy. We are going to look at dividing polynomials by monomials. So this is what we call simple division. It's simply dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So what that means is that the top term is going to have many, where the bottom term only has one. So our first example is 6r squared s squared plus 3r s squared minus 9r squared s. And we're dividing all of that by 3rs. So this is what we call a division problem, where what we do is take the dividend and we rewrite it so that it is under each of the divisor. So here we have 6r squared s squared over 3rs plus 3rs squared over 3rs minus 9r squared s over 3rs. And what we are going to do is simply divide those two terms together. So you divide 6 by 3 to get 2. R squared over r becomes r because you subtract the top and bottom together. So 2 minus 1 is 1. S squared over s is s. Plus stays in there. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So this s has an imaginary 1 kind of in front of it. R over r is also 1. S squared over s is s. Minus 9 divided by 3, which is 3. R squared divided by r, which gives you r, because again, 2 minus 1 is 1, and s over s is kind of a 1 at the end. We don't stress or worry too much about writing it. Okay, next we have 3a squared b plus 6a cubed b squared plus 18ab all over 3ab. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to take the top terms and rewrite them so that they are all divided by the bottom term. And then we're going to simplify. So once again, taking 3 divided by 3, we get 1. A squared over a gives a. B over b gives 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. A cubed over a is a squared. B squared over b is b. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And a over a, b over b both cancel. So again, anytime you have the same thing on top and bottom, they are going to cancel. Okay, and then in this example here, it's not a big deal that we have two variables. We're going to treat the problem exactly the same. We're going to take that 3x and we're going to rewrite it so that it's under the top terms. And then we're going to simplify. So again, 12 divided by 3 is 4. X squared over x is x. Since there's no y with a like term, the y just stays. And then 3x over 3x is the same thing both for 3 and x, so it becomes minus 1. And there you have dividing polynomials by monomials summed up. Go ahead and give these a try on your own.